Hello, this is the last day of camping at the Gran Bosco campsite in the Susa Valley in Piedmont in Italy. I've been riding the mountain trails. Today I am going to be riding the Colle Delle Assietta, better known as the Ridge Road, as this road is all above 2,000 metres.
Right, this seems to be the Strada della Assietta. I wish it had stopped raining, and I've not seen any signs saying it's closed, so... Oh, blimey, them rocks are really slippery. The trouble is with the bike fully loaded, the front end is really skitty, so got to take it really easy. Oh, blimey. And it's sort of hard packed mud, which is along with gravel, which I think is going to be a bit slippy. Probably 15-20 mile an hour, 25 max when it's gravelly. And I'll go round. You okay? Yeah, okay. I can go that way. I'll go there, yeah. Grazie. Hey. Oh, that was interesting. Oh, glad I ain't got to go up there. Nice of him to tell me to go round, but he was standing on probably the only bit I really wanted to do. It's easier than turning round. Says the ski slopes are closed. I should hope so. There's no snow, so I'm assuming this is where people ski across, yeah, in the winter months. Those ones are about a foot and a half deep, but only a little bit across. Only about a foot wide, so they're quite sharp bumps, like an upside down speed bump. Oh, little red squirrel. Well, I wouldn't call him really red, he was quite chocolatey brown. Well, you've got to pick your line here, and I got out of that one. I think if you go too slow, you end up wobbling a bit. Oh, blimey, what we got here? Oh, flipping it. This is quite a steep uphill, and I'm getting a lot of wheel slip. Well, a little bit of wheel slip, yeah, lots of wheel slip. Both wheels. Oh, what? That's got snow on it. Right, go for it. Quite a few tyre tracks up here, but not seen any other bikes or cars except for that little one. What was it? A pickup truck thing. Didn't even take any notice. Well, it looks like a 4x4 playground here. No, look, a terrible river crossing. Oh my god, what am I going to do? Shall I walk it first and have a look? No, let's just go for it. Oh, look at that. I nailed that one. Oh, I'm so clever. The skill of this man's unbelievable. Only joking, of course. Oh, mama. Love them little creatures. They look like little beefy, look like they're made for this climate. Oh, that looks like a bit of a climb, and we're roughly the same altitude as the caves on the opposite side at on Jeffrey. I wonder if that's the summit up there, looks like it. Or is that just a station? That might be a waypoint. It actually doesn't look open. And that peak over there, just to the right of the tree, is where I got stopped by the snow on Mont Jaffrou. Let's get over here a little bit, because that's I don't want to be falling off down there. I'd rather ride through the muddy bit and fall off it, but then again, more likely to fall off there. Oh, come on Mick, don't get nervous of the drop. You start thinking about it, you'll probably do it. I'll fall off, that is. There are other tracks up here, so I'm assuming it's open by the amount of tracks. And there's no sign saying it was closed, although yesterday I'm sure I was at the other side of this one and it said closed. Right, so that bit's closed, but there's a track through the snow here. Do I? Too late now. Oh, that's not good. There's a big hole there, and my back wheel's dropped in it, and that's me stuck. Right. Right, that's me proper stuck. Well people, a lesson learnt there. Don't just go for it, have a little look and see if there's another path, because I was nearly in big trouble there. Only the fact that I managed to lift it out, but rather than going through that there is another where somebody on a looks like a tyre marks for like a really big wide tyre, can go down across there, round there and up to the left hand side of that bush, because that's a bit of a slope there, I wouldn't try that, and then round and come back out up where those markers are. So if I have to turn around and come back, that'll be the way I'll be going. So lesson learned, but what an adventure. I've seen these things on YouTube where people are stuck like that, and they tip the bike to one side and drag the back round, but I literally couldn't do that because the pegs and centre stand were just digging in. I was just lucky that I managed to lift the back end out of the hole, and I can see why, because there's actually a stream where that hole is, there's water running underneath, so that's actually a gully there. So anyway, we carry on. I'm out of breath because I guess it's the altitude up here. Let's have a little look, see what we're at. Yeah, 2,400 metres. Right, anyway, let's carry on because it's raining. Oh, this chicken I haven't got a flat tyre because really slippy there. Well, this is only just open. Done it again, and the bloody petrol. Alright, I actually don't think that's open. Oh, there's a big hole there. I don't want to do that. So close. Right, this is the summit here. Right, I filled it, put a few rocks in there, and I'm going to walk it. And I dropped it. Jesus. Oh. Now, that's not good. Is it going to climb out of here? Oh, you can't talk, so out of breath. Right, the concern here is there's no other fresh tyre marks up here. That's a it's got to be that way. Well, I think I can get back down that way if need be. Rain's coming in and it's cold. Oh. Well, that was all very exciting. Blimey. (2,435 meters). Oh, look at it, it's beautiful, isn't it? Why wouldn't you want to come up here trail riding on a 50-year-old motorcycle? If that had been a big KTM or anything, or GS, there's no way I would have got it out of there. But there are tyre tracks here, so I'm not going up there. excuse the language. Anybody got a spade? The way you came. Just can't get any further that way. Right. So I'll be real careful here. He did climb out of it, so it looks less steep the other side. Started to go to the left then and didn't want to do that. No, here comes two other bikers. Forgot about this bit. As your foot slides off on the left. On my way back down, GoPro battery packed up just as I met some German guys on, I think they're all GS's, I think, maybe a KTM. They just come through the snow bit that I got stuck in, and they managed it all right. So perhaps there is something to be said for GS. Which I told them they couldn't get any further, but they were going to go and have a look anyway. But unless there was another way down I didn't see. But anyway, they stood and waited because they thought I was going to get stuck going round the snow. But I slightly misjudged it. I couldn't film it because I didn't change the GoPro battery. I slightly misjudged it. I was going to take the climb up by that bush. But I was worried I didn't have enough momentum and the engine stuttering about a little bit because of the altitude. I had to do a sort of a quick loop and then blat it up the hill. I got up and back onto the track, and then I turned to look at them, and they were all cheering and putting their arms in the air, which was great. Nice bit of camaraderie there, and I'm sure they would have absolutely come and helped if I'd have got stuck. But that was fantastic. There will be a picture. I've got a picture of all of them bar one, who obviously took the picture on my phone for me, and I posed for some pictures for them. So if ever you see this on YouTube, guys, thanks very much for your help, and it was good meeting you. Now look at this bit. I've got nearly, let's go over there. Alright, I'm not going to talk because I've got to concentrate. Slightest bit of exertion and you're really out of breath. it.